Hey everyone, it's Vince here. Welcome to my word link review. Can we really earn hundreds of dollars by matching words? That's exactly what we're going to find out today. I hope you guys enjoy. We're on the road to 100k subscribers. Let's kick this off. So this is WordLink Daily Win. It's an application with 10,000 plus downloads, and it's in early access, so the ratings have been hidden. Get ready everyone, because me and you, I feel, are about to go on a journey here, okay? We're gonna see what exactly the application's all about, and how exactly we can apparently earn money on it. So this is what comes up as soon as you turn on WordLink. Welcome to the Word Connect Win, most popular game of playing to earn. We have big rewards for you at the end of the game. Many gifts also. I bet you can win $100 in 10 minutes. I'm going to kiss a donkey's... Oh my lord, look at that everyone. I can't even say that on my video, or YouTube will probably flag me. Either way, after that silly intro, we can now actually start matching these words together. At the top of the screen, we have our apparent money, and then our in-game currency. Plus, to the left of that, we have the game level we're on. We have some little hint systems here at the bottom of the screen as well, plus the words we can match together. I'm just going to match together log here. There we go. Now let's match together go. And that's it. I've just matched those words together, and apparently now we can get a big win. So that big win just gave me 100 of the currency. And now it's asking me to tap on this little button here. Tapping on that brings the apparent PayPal currency cash out page up. We have a $100 currency cash out, a $500 currency cash out, a $1,000 cash out, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, $6,000, $7,000, $8,000, and $9,000. Boy, I can see now why they're saying they're the best money-making app on the market. Let's tap redeem now. It states the transfer amount is $100. Here's my PayPal balance apparently, and I have to input my PayPal account. I'd advise you always be super careful when entering in any sort of real information on these apps, okay? But for the review's sake, let me just go ahead and do this. Alright, and that's it. Your payment is on its way. You will receive an email when complete. It will take 3 to 7 working days to complete this payment. You may play for another card during this period. So apparently, just like that, I've earned $100 worth of PayPal currency, and it states it's approved. The only problem is, everyone, I haven't entered in any email address except my PayPal one. So how do they know I'm using the same PayPal address that I use for my emails? They don't. Now, I've touched absolutely nothing, by the way, and it states that I've just won 42 cents, but I can make it a big win. Let's tap OK. And there's the first advertisement of the application within 1 minute of us playing. Wow, that did not take long at all. You'll notice this little button here in the bottom right corner of the screen is actually generating money for us. This keeps on happening over and over again, and I feel like the reason for this is because it will bring up a pop-up that will ask you to watch an advertisement constantly. As you can see now, it's just appeared. Let's get back to the word matching. So I'm going to spell R. Okay, that's done. Go ear. Okay, all done. Now I can get that big win again. And by the way, at the top of the screen here, you can see that I earned $4.80 or so by watching that ad. So let's do it again. Okay, the advertisement has been watched. I'm now at $11.84. Let's get back to spelling those words. Gonna spell bar. Done. And then bra. Simple. Apparently I just got another reward now. You're going to be watching advertisements at least every 15 to 30 seconds on WordLink, so get ready everyone, it's going to be a massive pain. Now we are sitting on $24 within about 5 minutes of matching words together. Alright, let me go back to solving these words again. Let's go end, and then den. It's really that simple, everyone. It's not rocket science here. They just want you to keep watching these ads over and over again to the point where it gets quite ridiculous in my own opinion. So now we're up to $32 on level 5. Because this pop-up keeps coming up, I'm going to tap no thanks and show you what happens. An advertisement appeared even though I pressed no thanks. That's how you know you're playing a dodgy game, guys. I absolutely hate these type of systems, and I know developers do it for one specific reason, and that's to make the most money out of you, the player. I'm sitting on $32.96 on level 5, by the way. So every single time we solve a word puzzle, we essentially get around 6 to 7 $7 or so. Usually I like to go very in depth with applications. I'm going to make this video short and sweet. WordLink, in my opinion, needs to be investigated by Google as soon as possible, because to me, it's just another fake money-making application that's promising players completely unrealistic expectations and cash outs. $100 in literally 2 minutes is not possible with these applications and never will be. At least not in my point of view. I would avoid WordLink at all costs. While I've got you here though, let me talk about some apps that have actually paid me in the last week or two. The first application I've had some good luck with is called Survey Spin. This is where you can earn straight up PayPal currency just for completing surveys. You can see here $1.37 for 19 minutes of my time. Again, $1.45 for 28 minutes of my time. Then you have almost $1 for 9 minutes of my time. Even better, you have these quick surveys for over 50 cents for literally 3 and 4 minutes of my time. The best thing is the minimum cash out is only $5 and they pay out instantly, which is absolutely outstanding, by the way. Cash Karma is another one I've had some pretty good luck with recently. The one thing that I love about Cash Karma is that they support so many different countries, which is very rare for money-making applications. If you don't know what Cash Karma is, I've done a video review on it already on my channel, but essentially you can complete surveys, play games, complete tasks and offers to earn multiple currencies, which is great to see as well. Here in Australia, I get PayPal, iTunes, and Google Play. But as you can see from this huge list of supported countries, you may get completely different. Cash Karma pays roughly in about 2 days, by the way. Another fantastic one is called EasyBucks, which I've covered again on my YouTube channel. But guys, EasyBucks has a fantastic offer and survey wall system. A 5-minute food survey will pay me almost $2 worth of currency. Underneath that, you have a lifestyle survey that will pay $4 or more. You just keep looking here, you can see there's various different surveys and prices available, which I think is absolutely outstanding. Not only that, but their offer wall supports so many different offers, which is great for people that don't really like completing surveys, which I know there's a whole bunch of you guys out there that don't really like surveys at all, but there are offers that will legit pay you like almost $20 or more if you're able to complete them. EasyBucks does have a playtime rewards section as well. Now, if you don't know what that means, it's where the more you spend time in a game, the more of the in-app currency you'll earn. So it's literally you play a game and you get rewarded with the in-game currency. It's a pretty sweet system. Here in Australia though, I'll personally skip over it myself, but maybe in your country it's worth your while. Here in Australia, they have Amazon and PayPal currency. And if you're wondering about the cash out process on EasyBucks, the best thing about this platform is that they pay to your PayPal account instantly. While I haven't tested the Amazon portion of the app, I've tested the PayPal and they pay me every single time instantly, guys. Possibly the biggest red flag ever with money-making apps is the early access title. The fact that Google allows developers to hide their reviews is absolutely incredible to me, because what this does is allow applications like WordLink to take advantage of you all out there by not allowing the public to share their opinion on how their application is fake. It's a complete joke at the end of the day. Thank you for watching as always, everyone. Please be sure to check out my YouTube channel and my website for hundreds of actual paying methods. I'll see you on the road to 100k subscribers, everyone, and I'll catch you tomorrow. See you later.